Hey guys, it's your girl Ariel Versace, and today I'm here with Pretty Little Thing to help you celebrate Pride Month. I am here to show you guys how to party in style. So let's get dolled up with the doll. We're gonna help you guys find some amazing looks today to help you strut the runway and get tens across the board at your local Pride event or parade. Let's do it. And you guys know this would not be a cute Pride haul without a little bit of makeup from the queen, okay? So available on PrettyLittleThing.com is the Avani Gregg makeup palette. It's a collaboration with Morphe for the Bebs. So we're gonna quickly go from a little light day beat to a really fun, over-the-top, colorful Pride look. And again, you can pick up this palette on PrettyLittleThing.com. So to celebrate Pride, of course, we're gonna do a fun little rainbow eye with this palette. She's gonna be bright. So first we're gonna tap into the red by the inner corners. Now the first thing that I'm noticing is this is definitely really pigmented, so that's awesome. Now we're gonna tap into the orange and start blending inward. Now of course, yellow. And of course, next comes green. Now before we move on to the rest of the rainbow, we're going to go ahead and quickly cut our crease with a white concealer. And then with another brush, just blend that white outward. Now that we have that white blended on there, we're going to go ahead and start stamping on the other colors, which is blue. And lastly, let's go in with some purple. And now to brighten the inner corners, we're going to go in with some bright white. Now, of course, we want to add a little drama to the bottom, so we're going to go in with a hot pink. Now that we've got all of our beautiful rainbow colors on the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some more mascara to really pump up the lashes. And this is the Make It Big Morphe Mascara. I believe this is a collaboration with Coca-Cola. I myself am a Diet Coke addict. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and add some mascara. And again, I picked up this mascara right on prettylittlething.com. Alright, well off camera, I'm going to go ahead and add some liner and lashes and a little bit of glitter and finishing touches, and then we're going to see the final look for Pride. Alright, everybody out there, I hope you guys enjoyed this Pride rainbow makeup transformation. I had so much fun doing this and using these makeup products that I picked up on prettylittlething.com. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial. I hope you were celebrating your Pride 2021 to the fullest. This is a month of celebration, and this is a month about embracing yourself and the entire community. Even if you're not in the community, make sure you're being an ally to your loved ones who are within the community. This is a very, very special time for all of us this month to just live in bright colors and be proud of who you are, and I am so excited to be a part of this video, giving you these rainbow looks and these amazing outfits for the Pride season from prettylittlething.com. And of course, if you guys are not already, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and make sure you hit the little thummies uppy, Gigarama, make sure you like the video and leave a little comment on what your favorite look was from today's video. I'm gonna peace out. I might be going to a little Pride party myself right now. You know what I mean? Because she's looking cute. Alright, the Queen is heading to the Pride Parade, and as always, yes. Bye, everybody.
Oh, free margaritas at the tiki booth. Let's go.